let's have one example. Consider this is like slow we have, and means we have downward slow, and we have straight ahead road as well as downward slow. And suppose my vehicle is here having wheel like this. If having a wheel, okay, I suppose this is my vehicle, and right now my vehicle is located on the straight road. And now if at that instant it's not supposed to roll down, so what I have to do, I have to initiate that rolling moment downward direction. So what I have to do, I have to push this vehicle in this direction. Okay, once this wheel come here like this will come here, and this will come here. That time my vehicle is supposed to like this. Now tell me, it is that vehicle are ready or capable to roll down. So we have just initiated, it's a rolling movement, and once it capable to roll down itself, it gets started, it get initiated. So similarly, in case of the starter motor also, we are supposed to do a initial power cycle of engine, that is suction, compression, power and exhaust. If during that initiation the power developed is sufficient to, or it is capable to overcome the frictional losses, and capable to handle the dynamic load, that is or other loads which is added or which is acted on the engine, then your engine is supposed to start. Or in that case we no need to assist our engine by further crank applying the kick or pressing the self start motor. Okay, so this starting system only having a very small role in terms of time, at only starting of only at the starting instant. Okay, once your engine gets start, no need to further assist your engine. So this is our starting system. Now focus types of starting system. There are basically two type of starting system comes. One is the manual starting system, one is the power starting system. Okay, so what are the example of manual starting system? There is a example I have written here, that is kick start, rope start and the handle start. Okay, but in the context of the two wheeler, we are having the kick start. Okay, in case of car, we are having a uh, in case of the car, the whatever the car we are using in uh, today's date, we are those are not having any kind of kick. Okay, even though in conventional days also or old days also, they was not using the kick, instead of kick they are using the handle. Okay, in still you can found in case of the ape rickshaw, they are using rope to crank it. Okay, so in case of the two-wheeler context, we can see a kickstart is there in case of the manual starting system. In case of the ape rickshaw, we can see the rope start also there for the manual purpose starting. And in case of the vintage car, there was a handle to start. Okay, so there are the manual starting system present. The same way, another side we are having the power starting system. In the case of the power starting, purely we are using a electric motor, that is a starter motor. Okay, so there are further types come in case of the kick start. I meant to say I'm talking in context of the two wheeler. So I'm not going to tell you what is the type of rope start, what are the types of handles. I'm just supposed to tell you that is kickstart, which comes for the two wheeler. So let it be. The first type comes under the kickstart, that is a that is mandatory neutral position kickstart system, and second is the optional neutral position kickstart system. If go for the uh, power starting system, then there is also two types come, that is overrunning clutch type self start motor or the free wheel drive type self start motor. Okay, so till here we have uh, gone through what is the starting system, okay, and the type of starting system. Still, if you feel any any clarity in the concept, you please ask me on your Google Classroom. Thank you.